Hello, class. This is the spelling test for List 1 for March 8th, 2018. First, please make sure you have selected your name in the list. After you hear the word, you can pause the video so you can type it. You can also rewind the video to hear the word again. Do your best. Here we go. Number 1. Sing, sing. I can hear the bird sing. Number 2. How, how. How was your day? Number 3. Ago, ago. Dinosaurs lived a long time ago. Number 4. Vote, vote. We vote to have pizza for lunch. Number 5. Boy, boy. The boy ran in the park. Number 6. Cone, cone. I would like a chocolate ice cream cone. Number 7. Old, old. She is 7 years old. Number 8. Girl, girl. The girl climbed the tree. Number 9. Ring, ring. My sister has a sparkly ring. Number 10. Home, home. It is time to go home. Those are the spelling words. Great job.